Hey, what's up everyone? Mark Price here from devslopes.com down here in nasty, snowy Salt Lake City. And let's go ahead and talk about Node.js today. If you already know Node.js in and out, then maybe you should skip this video. If you don't, or if you only know a few things about it, or maybe you don't understand why we're going to be using it with React, then watch this video. So, Node.js. What is Node.js? Well, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So, for some context and history, historically, JavaScript has been rendered or interpreted on the browser, such as Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine on Google Chrome, and each browser has their own JavaScript interpreter. And JavaScript's a very powerful language. It's been around for a very long time, and there is tons of code written in JavaScript. And so then one day Node.js comes out, and it's the ability to interpret JavaScript from anywhere, meaning from a Mac, a PC, Linux, or from a server, wherever you may be, you can now interpret JavaScript code, which is very powerful because, again, it's been around for such a long time that there's so much code available in libraries. And how cool is it now that you can build your front end in JavaScript and you can build your back end in JavaScript and never even have to change context. So you could technically build front ends and back ends without knowing PHP, without knowing Python or Django, without knowing Ruby on Rails, or any of the other web and back end languages. You can do it all now in JavaScript, which is really cool. So let's talk about why does this matter with React? Well, the Facebook way of using React is to use Node with it. And what Node is going to do is it's going to allow us to install packages, the React packages and other packages that will allow us to render or interpret our React and JSX code, and it will compile code into a script that we can use in our website. So very cool stuff. Facebook recommends using it. There is another way to use it, which is just including the scripts, but that is not the recommended way. So to install Node, all you need to do is click this install button right here. It will download, and then you can install it through the standard install process. Now, this is for Mac, and all the videos I'm doing here are on my Mac. They all work on PC as well, but I will not be providing instructions on a PC. Facebook, if you also read about React on their website, on the React website, they say about 90% of the Facebook team is on Macs. And from my experience being in the job industry and helping people get jobs and working in these technologies, many more companies are switching to Mac. So if you're new and you don't know which computer to get, I highly recommend getting a Mac. It is easier to install some of these newer open source technologies. I'm not a PC hater, but you do have to do more work to get things working on PC than you do have to Mac. And open source technologies are really catering to Mac OS X. So with that being said, install it here, go through the install process, and then you've got Node on your system. And that's all you have to do to get it installed. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the basics of how to use it. And remember, to get your free live help, go to devslopes.com and click on chat room. I'm there all the time, as well as a huge community of other students.